In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your resume from Indeed. Whether you're applying for a new job or just want a hard copy for your records, printing your resume is a simple task once you know the steps. So let's dive straight into this easy process. First, you'll want to access your Indeed dashboard. Start by navigating to the Indeed website and signing into your account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile section. It's usually represented by your name or profile picture in the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile, and it should guide you to your personal dashboard. This is where you'll have access to all your job-related materials and activities. Now that you're in your dashboard, the next thing you need to do is locate your resume. Click on the Resume section. This will typically be displayed in the menu or tabs available on your dashboard. Here you'll see your resume detailed, as you've created or uploaded it on Indeed. This is the document you'll be working with, so make sure everything looks correct and up to date. Once you have your resume in front of you, look for the ellipses, which are usually three little dots, often situated near the top or side of the page. Clicking on these dots will open up a submenu of additional actions you can take with your resume. From this menu, select the Download option. When prompted, choose to download your resume as a PDF. PDFs are a widely accepted and print-friendly format, which is exactly what you need for a clean, professional-looking hard copy. The next step is to access the PDF file you've just downloaded to your computer. Open the file to double-check its appearance. This is your last chance to spot and fix any formatting issues or errors before printing. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, locate the Print option. In most PDF viewers, this will be found under the File menu at the top left corner, or you might see a printer icon on the taskbar. When you click Print, a dialog box will appear. Here, you can select your printer and adjust your printing settings. It's wise to make sure you're using a printer that's stocked with enough paper and ink and that it's connected correctly to your device. Once you're happy with the settings, go ahead and click the final Print button. In just a few moments, your resume will be in your hands, ready to be presented as needed. And that's it. You've successfully printed your resume from Indeed. Remember, having a hard copy of your resume is not only essential for interviews, but also serves as a handy reference to track your professional development over time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more practical tips and tutorials.